Hey guys, today's video is going to be my May Boxycharm. I have only seen one spoiler for this month, so I'm super excited to see what is in here. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, it is the best monthly subscription service ever, seriously. $21 a month. I'll have a link down below if you want to sign up. A lot of you guys always ask me what the weight is. This box weighs 0.85 pounds. Ooh, I'm excited. Okay, the theme this month is Boxy Bash. Woo! All right, first thing I'm seeing, this is actually the spoiler that I saw. This is the Cover FX Blurring Primer. I have a Cover FX primer, but I don't think it's the blurring primer. Look, it's so blurring you can't even see the bottle. There we go. This retails for $38, so already you've paid for the price of your box. It is a lightweight, soft focus primer that blurs the appearance of pores, fine lines, and other imperfections, creating a smooth canvas for flawless foundation application. I love my Cover FX primer, so I'm really excited to try this. I just noticed this says not for resale on the back here. I wonder if any more of these products say that. Because I know a lot of people like to sell the things that they get in their Boxycharm, and I don't agree with that, especially if you're getting Boxycharm for free. I think that's messed up. Okay, anyway, moving on. I got a bunch of brushes. This is the Estetica P12. This looks like a face brush. It's a face brush. This retails for $27. Estetica. I've never heard of this brand before. Ooh, it's super soft, and it has a very strong scent to it. It smells like paint, but it's super soft. And then I got 3 more brushes from Estetica. This is a 3-piece eye trio, retails for $45. So that's what they look like. Next is a matte lip gloss from Beauty Creations. The liquid lip gloss, it retails for $10. I got the color Kiss Me. Ooh, that's actually a really pretty color. Next thing is from Pretty Vulgar. What the hell is this? This is the ink gel eyeliner. It retails for $24. It's really cool packaging. I like it. It's like ink, you know, like back in the day when you used to dip your frickin' thing into ink. Okay, so, oh, I was gonna say, I didn't get a palette this month. Super weird, because like this is all I see, but then, we got a little guy hiding down here. Ooh, it's a mystery. It's all white. What is this? What is this? This is from Pure. This is the Highlight and Contour Palette. Ooh, I like the packaging. Ooh, okay. I'm just take that right off there. Hair in my mouth. Okay, these are like totally washing out. There we go. On the mirror it says, "You are the sculptor of your own destiny." Okay, so my final thoughts on this box. I am excited for this lip gloss. I think it's a super pretty color. I am definitely excited for this primer because, like I said, I've used a Cover FX primer before and I really liked it. Definitely excited for this palette and the eyeliner. I typically use a pencil eyeliner, but I might throw it back to gel liner. Like, I used to use MAC gel eyeliner back in the day when I first started my YouTube channel, so I might throw it back. This packaging is super cool though. And this is really the only thing I'm just kind of like, hey, okay, more brushes. I can always use more brushes. That is pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to sign up for Boxycharm, I will have a link down below. And I also have my previous Boxycharm unboxing videos down below. I've been getting this for like 5 years now, or 4.5 years now, and it's definitely my favorite box ever. I say this every month. I know you guys probably get annoyed with that. When I find something I love, I love to talk about it. Okay, I'm gonna go now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.